Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Brooke from Kent, England, and she asks that she owns a grocery store and if Appy Pie can help her take it online. Yes, Brooke, with Appy Pie, you can certainly take your offline grocery store online. We have a feature called Store Feature. So what you need to do is you need to leverage the power of Appy Pie's AppMakr and then add that store feature into your app. Once you have done that, you need to then start setting up your categories. Multiple categories you can actually add in over there, and underneath each category you can have multiple products. And each product has its own attributes. It could be the color, it could be the weight, or it could be the quantity. So you need to set up the complete product cataloging. Once you have done the product cataloging, you need to go and set up the taxation rules, because in the UK you have VAT, so you need to enable the VAT component over there. Also, you need to set up the shipping rules within your store. Once you have done that, you need to select the type of payment gateway that you wish to accept. At the moment, Appy Pie supports over 12 different payment gateways, some of the biggest names in the industry like Stripe, PayPal. Also, you have the option for order on delivery or cash on delivery. So you can even leverage those features. And once you have done all the configurations and you're happy with the end product, what you need to do is then publish your app on Google Play and iTunes. And once those apps are live, you will start getting some orders coming in. And not only that, with Appy Pie, you can also convert your app into a website. So the store app that you have created, it can also be converted into a store website. So you get to kill two birds with a single stone. If you like this edition, then do share it on social channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.